In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up for Shopify affiliate program. If you are looking to earn commissions by promoting Shopify, the affiliate program is a straightforward way to get started. I will walk you through the exact sign-up flow, and I will also point out what to look for as you move from one screen to the next. First, go to the Shopify affiliate program webpage. When you arrive on the page, take a moment to make sure you are on the official Shopify affiliate site. This is important because you want to use the correct page before entering any information. Once you confirm you are on the right web page, you can move on to the next action. Next, click the Become an Affiliate button. This button is usually designed to clearly lead you into the application process. After you click it, you should see the page update and guide you to the sign-up area. If you notice a new section or a new screen opening, that is exactly what you want, since the program is now ready for your details. Then click the Sign Up button on the next page. This step is simply starting your registration. On this screen, Shopify typically provides options and a clear path forward. Pay attention to the layout because the next choice depends on which platform you want to sign up with. Now select which platform app you want to sign up with, such as Apple, Facebook, Google, X, or LinkedIn. Choose the one you are most comfortable using, since it will determine the type of login window that appears. If you prefer a familiar sign-in method, stick with that one. After you select your platform, proceed to the next step where the browser pop-up will appear. Next, enter your chosen platform credentials in the browser pop-up window. This pop-up is controlled by the platform you selected, so it may look slightly different depending on the provider. Enter the required login information carefully and double-check that you are entering it into the correct pop-up. This step connects your selected platform account to the Shopify affiliate sign-up process. After that, type your complete information on the Now complete your sign-up page. This portion is where Shopify collects the details needed for your affiliate account. Spend a moment reviewing each field as you enter it, because missing or incorrect information could slow you down later. If there are instructions on the page, follow them closely and make sure everything matches your intended affiliate profile details. Once you have filled in your information, you are ready to submit the form. This is the moment where everything you have entered becomes active in the sign-up process, so it is worth taking a quick look one more time before moving forward. Finally, click the Get Started button at the bottom. This confirms your registration and officially starts the onboarding flow for the Shopify affiliate program. If a confirmation message appears, read it briefly so you know the sign-up completed successfully. If anything asks you to review permissions or finalize steps, follow only the prompts that appear on the official page. And that covers everything you need to know. If you follow these steps in order, you should be signed up for the Shopify affiliate program and ready for what comes next.